Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my Gacha Life channel. And this time we're going to try anime convention. And as you guys see, I already load up my machines and the capsule toys. Hopefully this time I can make some profit at the convention. What do you guys think? Okay, let's go. Okay, this time we are going to Anime Central Convention in Chicago. It's about 700 miles from my house, around 11 hours drive. I know at least I have to stop at the gas station twice to be there. And I know this time the cost is gonna be huge cost. I'm not sure it's gonna be worth it or not. What do you guys think? Please let me know. Whew. After about 11 hours drive, we finally at the convention center. Now we are lined up here, try to unloading our machines. There is only about 3 cars in front of us, so it should be can get in 10 minutes. Okay, right now we are in the vendor's room and I'm already set up. Ta-da! Let me show you guys what do I have this time. Let's check it out. Demon Slayer, Pokemon, more Demon Slayer. I have some Shaman Keys. I have BTS, One Piece, Dragon Ball, and some Sanrio stuff. What you guys think? Is my capsule toy okay? Or should I put some different capsule toys at the convention? Please leave your suggestion comment below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, today is the day. The Anime Central is Friday through Sunday, so we're gonna stay here total 4 days. And now walk around, take you guys see what's the other vendor have. Basically, nobody sell the lower ticket. I mean, nobody sell something is lower than like $10. The reason I think it's really simple because higher ticket you make more profit. Because as I know, every vendor they travel from everywhere, so their cost is gonna be a lot too. Especially if you have more booth, you need to hire more people. So basically, the lower ticket, it's not gonna work. But we will see. Okay, it's time to go home. This time the Anime Central booth cost is $8.25 and hotel cost is about $600 and gasoline is about $500. My total sales is $6,104 and my capsule toys profit is $3,052. Then the total cost is 1925. Then final profit is $11.27. So for like if you working 4 days, get you $11.27. Is that worth it? I mean, to me, I'll say this is okay, but I'm still going to think about it. Okay, I'll see you guys on next video. Bye.